Yeah, I live in St. Martin for now, let me see, 31 years. I'm not sure I can live somewhere else now. And usually at this time of the day it's quiet, because all the people coming on during the day on the beach, they're gone because I think they got enough sun. And look at that, look at that. So if you ask me why I'm living here, I mean, it's obvious, right? So let me introduce you to Danny. Sotheby Beach Bar, Danny, yep. That's the place to be, sunset and during the day.
For sunset, have a nice view of the sunset. Can't beat that.
This is where I come and relax, and I gotta tell you, I mean, so I laugh because being here and looking at the sunset is priceless. So you know where to find me. I'm here almost every night at Sotheby Beach Bar, and I hope to see you soon.